another question, that is replace employee ID with the unique identifier. Okay, so we have employees at table and employee unit table. Okay, so write a solution to show the unique ID of each user. If a user does not have a unique ID, replace, just show null. Okay, so here is the employees table, and this is the ID and the name of the employee. Okay, and this is the employee unit table. Here is the ID and the unique ID of the employer. Okay, so let's say we have employee ID 1. Its unique ID is not it's unique. We don't know its unique ID. For the employee ID 7, we don't know its unique ID. For the employee ID 11, we know its unique ID is 2. Okay. For employee ID 90, we know its unique ID is 3. And for employee ID 3, we know its unique ID is 1. So we don't know the unique ID of 1 and 7 because the ID of 1 and 7 is not present in employee unit table. Okay. So to solve this problem, we can use the concept of left join. So what left join does is that if when we join two tables on the basis of a common key, that is ID here, and if we join the table on the basis of the ID, that is the common column that is a common key which is present in both the tables. So we will get we will connect both these tables, and we will get null values if that ID is not present in the left table. So let's show let me show you an example here. So let's select e dot star, because we are going to select employees as E from employees, and left join employee UNI as U on E dot ID is equals to U dot ID. Okay, and U dot star. So what this code will do is that it will select all the data from this table and connect this ID on this column of the employee table, and after that it will merge all the columns from the employee table to this table. So in the end we will get four columns from the merged table. So let's give it a try. Select E dot star comma U dot star from employees as E, left join employees uni as U on E dot ID is equals U dot ID. Okay, so after doing this we will get a table which have 4 columns here. As you can see, we have 4 columns, that is ID, name, ID, and unique ID. So as you can see here that the ID which is present in the employees table is not present in the employee unit table, that is here. So we are getting null values here, but the IDs which 3, 11 and 90 which are present here, we are getting the data here. We are not getting null here because these the data from this table is connected through the ID of this table. Okay, so we have joined this table using ID column from both the tables. Okay, so now what we are wanting here is we should get an output in which the unique IDs must be null, and we must get the name from the left table. So we are wanting to get a name from this table. Okay, and we should get the unique IDs that is 1, 2 and 3, which is from the unique table. So what we can do here, we can select E dot name comma U dot unique ID. So what it will do is that it will select the name from the employee table and unique ID from the employee unique table. After that, we have selected the columns from the employee name and unique ID from the unique table. We will run this code. So yeah, the output is matching because we are connecting both the tables on the on the common column, that is the ID column. And after connecting both the columns, we are getting only the required columns from the merged table, that is the name from the employees table and the unique ID from the employee unit table. After that, we are running this query and the output, and we are getting the output. So let's submit it. Okay, it's working now.